Hi, I'm Brad Helm. I teach computer programming and computer science here at Rend College. We are currently in one of the second semester computer programming courses, and we have been developing a database to use, in the real world. And we try to use real world examples with our programming. Now in this particular example, we're working with a database to handle a basic catalog of information. We were using a tool called Entity Framework, which is a technique of using object-oriented programming to go through and design our database without having to touch the database first. This basically allows us to deploy on any database that we may choose to use. The technique also allows us to develop applications both for the Windows desktop and also for the World Wide Web via the internet servers. In this case, we populated 3 different departments: the SCI, Computer Science, Computer Information, the OFTC for the Office Technology, CNS for Computer Networking Services, and then have a list of the basic courses underneath those departments. And again, all we had focused on to this point is getting the entity framework set up, getting the data structure configured appropriately, so that we could hold our data. We can do this as a Windows application, which is what we have right now, or we could strip out everything that we've done related to the tables, the departments, and the courses. We can strip that out and drop it right into a web application. No other changes are necessary. This helps us because now when we run the program, we want to see if we're actually getting that pre-populated data, and wonder of wonders, there we go. Now down the road we're going to end up adding on all forms of validation, making sure that when people put information into the database, that information is good. Once we guarantee that the data going into our program is good, we can start generating the reports and output devices, whether they're web pages or printed documents or PDF files. We can basically match the output to whatever the person who needs the software wants. And that's our goal. This is only the 3rd week of the semester, and we spent most of the first semester of the programming courses learning about the different types of programs that we can create in Visual Studio and Microsoft's tools, looking primarily at Windows desktop applications. And we do also have, several of the students have taken the Introduction to HTML, CSS, our web development. And we have classes down in the 2nd year where we bring what we learned here with database work together with the web work to create full-blown web applications. Hopefully we'll see more students coming into computer programming. There are jobs out there for programmers right now, and matter of fact, I would be willing to bet that before this year is over, before this semester is done, some of the people in the class right here are doing production work.
We love pizza and we're gonna win.